Alright guys, it's Olusola again, and in this video I'm not gonna take much of your time. I'm only here to attend to the comments and the requests I've gotten to some of my YouTube subscribers' requests. So I just want to attend to some of their requests. So now the request particularly is on how to rename Facebook Business Manager accounts. That's if you want to rename your Facebook Business Manager accounts. For those that know about this, then you should know it's something very simple. But for somebody that does not even know how to maneuver the Facebook Business Suite, then it's going to look something kind of difficult for them to do. So this video is going to be very short, like I said earlier. So I'll be showing you how to do that. What you want to do is, first off, once you get, I want to believe you can find your way down to this particular place I am right now. That's the Meta Business Suite. And if not, just type business.facebook.com in your browser URL bar like this, business.facebook.com. Then once you land there, you want to click on this drop down button to select the particular business account you want to rename. So in this case now, I'll be selecting another one so I can be able to show you how to select. So I'll be working with this. You can click on it like this. So it loads up the new business manager account you just selected. It's going to change this icon now. As you can see now, it's been changed. So once it's done like this, assuming you've selected your own business manager account, which you want to change the business manager account's name, then what you want to do is you either scroll down to these settings, or you click back on this drop down and click on this cog icon. This is the setting icon. So either you click on this, or you make use of the other one I showed you earlier, which is this. You are still going to the same destination, but let me make use of this. You click on this cog like this. So once it loads up, then you just look on the left hand side of the screen like this. Then you want to do what? You want to scroll down to business settings. So you can either click on business settings. Let me click on it. Let me open it in a new tab. You can either click on it, or you just walk from here directly, business account info. You click on it this way. So it's going to load up something here. Can you see? Now it's asking me manage advanced settings on business manager. Okay, you can go to business manager settings like this. Then, like I said, as you can see, it's still going to open the same thing. You see, it brought me down here. After clicking on it, it brought me to this business information. Then you can, the other one I opened, this is it. It can bring you here. You understand? But I'll prefer you just click on this business account info. Then you click on this edit. But if you are not getting it that way, you can just click on this business settings and it brings you here directly. Then if it brings you here, you want to scroll down to business account info. We are still going to the same. As you can see, we just arrived at the same place with this. Can you see? So if you click on this business account info, it's going to bring out this dialog option. There you click on edit, then it will bring you here directly. If you click on the other one that I showed you, this business setting, is going to take you to this place I showed you before. It's going to bring you here before you now scroll down to business info. So any which way, just make sure you find your way down to this business information screen. So once you get here, then the problem has been solved. What do you want to do? You want to click on this pen icon which writes edits. Click on it like that. Then you should be able to change your business manager account name to whatever it is you want. As you can see me typing now, but I won't be changing this particular business account's name, so I'll cancel it. So in this same place, this is where you can as well delete a business manager account. You can just permanently delete a business manager account, do several other settings, you understand, like changing the name of the admin, the email of the admin, putting some other business infos like this. So it's as easy as that. Like I said guys, I won't be making this video much long. As you can see, it's something very straightforward, but for those that don't know how to do it, that is the simple way to do it. So just find your way straight down to the Meta Business Suite and follow the processes I just showed you. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this short video. I remain Olusola as usual, and make sure you're always having a wonderful time. Bye for now.